In this video, we are going to talking about a very rare, very Italian. You know what it is? Oh, sorry. This is a wonderful looking Ferrari S12 Berlinetta. It's a front mid-engine GT from Ferrari. So let me set a context. Today, you can see most of the auto manufacturers launched their cars and they called them a GT. Suppose McLaren recently launched their McLaren GT and the Ford, very famous, a very historical car, Ford GT. These two cars, they have engine in their rear, but they called these cars a GT. So I decided, what if Ferrari make a GT car? So what if Ferrari make that type of GT car? So I took a very beautiful Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. So I decided to convert it into a mid-engine, rear mid-engine car. So let us redesign this car and see how it comes out. Okay, welcome back to Photoshop. So in front of me, after Berlinetta, you know, it is from Ferrari front engine V12 GT car. So it is a very beautiful, as you can see, it is a beautiful car, Pininfarina and designed this. So I decided to make, in this video, I decided to make this car a mid-engine GT. You know, recently launched GT from Ferrari is Ferrari Roma, so they didn't put a Scuderia shield on the side of it. So I also decided to not put a shield on this redesign. And the other thing, as you can see, this car very flowing lines, like if you can see this one line, this and this and this line. So these lines are very beautiful. So in your mind, you see a drawing of a mid-engine car. You can see from this is a greenhouse, and the greenhouse starts from there, and you can see the very wonderful flow of lines in this car present. So if we are doing this, so I don't think that it looks bad. So I decided to make it a mid-engine GT and see how it looks in this redesign. And enough talk, let's redesign the F12 Berlinetta and see how it looks. Take it easy.